Hi, I'm Katlyn.
And I'm Sam. Welcome to our newest listing in the community in RounTrey.
This former model home is located at 3801 Graythorne Drive. Come take a look. This home is almost 4,000 square feet. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and one of my favorite features on this home is that it has a flex dining and or study space. Not only is it here centralized off your foyer, but it leads into your living room. This home has trim features throughout, such as a beautiful coffered ceiling, craftsman trim, custom built-ins, and wonderful shiplap. Not only are there wonderful highlights about the inside of the home, but it has a beautiful backyard with a stamped concrete patio and a wood-burning fireplace to enjoy those warm, cozy fall nights.
In addition to the formal dining room, you've got an expansive dining nook leading you straight into the kitchen, leathered granite countertops, a farmhouse sink, custom cabinetry all the way around, soft close with plenty of space for storage. We have a spa-like primary bath with an enlarged shower tiled from the ground all the way to the ceiling, 2 shower heads, marble countertops with a comfort height vanity, featuring again custom cabinetry and a beautiful tile floor, all with natural light.
Welcome to the club at RounTrey. This is one of 2 clubhouses featured in the community, and this one's actually walking distance to our listing.
You've got a pool, tennis courts, and 24-hour gym. Come inside and take a peek.
One of the amazing benefits of being a resident in the RounTrey community is you get to rent this beautiful clubhouse. Residents can do baby showers, wedding showers, and so much more. This community is so great about hosting resident events. They have parties throughout the year, and one of my favorite things is they always have food trucks right outside.
In addition to all these wonderful things, you're nestled on the Swift Creek Reservoir, where you can easily put in a kayak or canoe. There's also a dog park and walking trails to enjoy.
We hope you enjoyed visiting all the amenities that RounTrey has to offer and touring our beautiful new listing.
For additional questions, feel free to call us at 804 New Home.
You can either ask for myself, Katlyn, or Sam, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks, guys.
Bye.